All right, well, I came back to set my raccoon trap up again, and it's raining a little bit, but that's all right because we're using the GoPro Hero 10 and it's waterproof. And today we're going to try some sardines. I haven't tried these yet. These are in soybean oil. I did pick up a pack of the mustard flavored ones, so we're going to try those probably next. So I'm going to go ahead and set this one up, and then we got another trap over here behind me. I'm going to see if we can catch a double in here. So yeah, we've had really good luck over here. A lot of people say don't set your traps tied to a tree because they can get out, but I'm telling you now, I've had a lot of good luck. I've only had well, all trapping season I've only had like 2 escape, and one of them was probably the birds or something probably triggered it. Oh, sardines. I have never ever ate a sardine in my life, and I don't think I ever will, and I don't think I'm gonna touch them. Oh, this is gonna be stinky. They're gonna like this. Woo boy, this has got to be stinky. All right, here we go. That's perfect. That's perfect. I don't know if they could pull that out of there. I don't think they can get that out of there if I push that. Yeah, but, oh shit, triggered it. Damn it. Damn stick in there. Why do you gotta have some troubles, huh? There, now I got it all the way down in there. That's perfect. It's muddy and wet and slick. So what do you want to bet that it'll work pretty good? Yeah, put that down in there. Just go ahead and leave a couple more of them here on the ground so they'll smell it from far away and come running. All right, and then I've got another trap right over here on this pine tree. There's this tree the deer rub on. So let's go ahead and get it set up here. I will tell you something I've learned though. Location does matter. I've set 2 traps multiple times and they just seem to always get in the one. It really does matter. Oh, these things look so gross. That would be funny if we get 2 of them in here. We've had a couple, 2 or 3 double foot catches, but I haven't had any like 2 coons at the same time next to each other. Yeah, I'm just gonna scatter this stuff around real good here. All right, well, I'm gonna jump off of here real quick, and what do you want to bet? We'll be back over here tomorrow. So, all right, well, stay tuned for the next portion. All right, well, the sardines worked, and we got us a possum here. So we were trying for a raccoon, but it's not the first time this has happened, but this is the first one I've caught in 2023. I caught one back in the fall, and yeah, possums are some critter I don't really like to put down, but everybody keeps saying they raid the nests and stuff too, so yeah. And I don't have my camera over here. I brought it with me. Oh yeah, look at them teeth. You growling? Huh? But yeah, I brought my camera back this time. We're gonna get some better ones. These are the Spy Point. I mean, they're okay, but the other one I got in the other video you seen, I'm running it on a solar panel. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this camera out, take care of him, and reset this. And yeah, he's pretty mad. Pretty pissed. All right, well, it worked out good. I had a feeling them sardines would work. I was hoping we'd catch another double in the other tree. I put that one in yesterday. So, but anyway, we'll reset it and maybe we'll get it 2 this next time. All right, well, I'll catch you later.